Imagine a future where artificial intelligence isn't just smart. It's incredibly precise, efficient, and accessible. That's the essence of Nano Banana AI. So, what exactly is Nano Banana AI? At its heart, it's a cutting-edge platform, a powerful tool, or even an intelligent system that leverages artificial intelligence to deliver highly specific and often granular solutions. Think of it as AI operating at a microscopic level, identifying patterns and processing information with an unparalleled level of detail. Its core functionalities revolve around advanced data analysis, identifying intricate patterns that might be invisible to the human eye. This allows for incredibly accurate predictive modeling, forecasting future trends and behaviors with remarkable precision. Furthermore, Nano Banana AI excels at automating complex tasks, streamlining processes that previously required significant human intervention. Let's explore its impact across different sectors in healthcare. Nano Banana AI is revolutionizing diagnostics by analyzing medical images with pinpoint accuracy and accelerating drug discovery processes through intelligent data interpretation, leading to more personalized and effective treatment plans. In the world of finance, it's a game-changer for robust fraud detection, enabling sophisticated algorithmic trading and providing deeper insights into risk assessment, thereby safeguarding investments and optimizing financial strategies. And in manufacturing, Nano Banana AI is enhancing quality control through precise defect detection, optimizing complex supply chains for greater efficiency, and implementing predictive maintenance to prevent costly machinery breakdowns before they occur. The potential benefits for users are immense for businesses. This translates to increased efficiency, reduced operational costs, and the ability to make more informed, data-driven decisions for researchers. It unlocks new avenues for discovery and innovation. Ultimately, wherever data can be leveraged for impactful change, Nano Banana AI offers a path to smarter, more optimized outcomes. Nano Banana AI amplifying intelligence, one precise insight at a time. Nano AI Tech AI explained.